up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. My name is Ansar. I'm here with my brother Al, and today we're going to be putting the transmission back in, get the starter on, and then we're going to prime the motor to make sure oil is circulating, that we don't have any leaks, but we're not going to fully start it yet. Once we know that the motor is turning over properly and we have oil going to everything, we're going to button everything up and then do the final start and let it run. And then from there we can just do the final torque of everything and put it down and see what happens. All right, guys, stay tuned. Alright, guys, we got the transmission back in the car. As you can see from the time lapse, the light's kind of bright, but the transmission is in there. Axles are back. Well, we only put a bolt in just to hold it up. We're not going to be running the transmission or putting it into gear. We just wanted everything in so that we can at least prime the motor by, you know, cranking it over a bunch of times to make sure we have oil pressure. We checked most of the hoses. I mean, all the intercooler and stuff is not really fully tightened down yet because we're just going to be cranking. We're not going crazy. I do want to go through the intercooler hoses because these are aftermarket JHM intercooler, and I just want to make sure all the silicone hoses are tight, but we'll do that after we have oil pressure. And then we still need to come back down here and remount the transmission cross member. It's not really in there fully. It's just there just to add support and just be a little bit of a safety for us, so in case the transmission got loose or fell, you know, as we were putting the bolts into the transmission, mounting it to the engine. So I think we're good there. And as you can see, you know, we have the exhaust off, so this way if we run into any problems, you know, and we have to start taking stuff back apart, we don't have to take everything back apart again. I think we're good enough here where we can try to crank it. We disconnected the coil packs, the high pressure fuel pump's disconnected, so we don't get too much fuel into the cylinder while we're cranking, and we'll go from there.
Yep. Turning over fine.
Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below. Please click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and keep wrenching.